Well, good morning, y'all. Just checked the mail, and I got a package from Keto Mojo. They sent me some test strips, glucose, and ketones. And they also sent me this new Keto Mojo Bluetooth connector. So, I'm going to get this beast fired up. And Dave Korsunski sent me this too from Heads Up Health. He's an awesome guy, by the way. So I will get this synced up, figure out how to get all this data integrated, and then I'll show you, I'll test my ketones and glucose real quick and see what all's happening there. So bear with me. Alright, so I have this device you stick in there, and then it syncs with the app on my phone for Bluetooth. So now that's syncing. And we'll see how this goes here. It's syncing right now. Alright, I think I've got it all synced. Doing a blood sample now. Ketones first. Let's see what we have. I'm expecting a relatively low number. Nah, not too bad. 1.7. Focus, focus. There you go. Higher than I expected. Let's do some glucose now. 83. Boom. Not too shabby at all. And now this should, I don't know if there's like a lag or something, but it should sync. Searching for device. I guess I have to insert this again when I want to sync the new data. Syncing, do not close app. Processing, check that out. Upload complete. 2 new readings uploaded. And then last reading 2 minutes ago. So now, if you look at that, it shows my blood ketones. And then I can hit blood glucose, and it shows me that information as well. So, pretty cool. I'm digging it. And then all this syncs with my Heads Up Health account. So that's pretty cool. I could just track everything pretty seamlessly. Now, I think we're headed to the gym. I gotta check with Crystal and see what her plans are. But I think we're gonna go head to the gym right now. Making bricks today, working on the gym walls today. Another day in paradise, yo. Another day in paradise. Alright, y'all, at the gym. Unfortunately, Crystal's not feeling very good, so she's gonna stay home, probably train later today. I'm gonna run in here and bump out an arm workout really quick. I got a podcast at noon, so I've only got like an hour and a half. So I got a lot of stuff to do in between in preparation for that podcast. So it's gonna be a quick workout, but again, better rush than not at all. So just keep thinking about that gym. Use this motivation to get my own gym up and running, so I don't have to be rushed. There you go.
Alright, y'all. Good solid arm workout. A lot of basic movements. A lot of barbells, a lot of dumbbells, but love it. Good solid pump. Get a shower and get ready for this podcast.
Podcast is recorded. I'm editing that now. Just got done with a biz dev call. Somebody reached out talking about content creation and marketing, so I'm excited about that. And now I'm excited about this. My salmon fillet is covered in pink Himalayan salt and olive oil. So I'm gonna dive in real quick. All right, so CJ's been keto since Monday, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm about to do a blood test. Go ahead and prick yourself, man. What do you think? You were 0.7 yesterday, right?
Yeah, I was 0.7 yesterday. That was right after I got done eating. Had a meal today. Had keto coffee this morning. Should be a little bit higher.
Yeah, see what you got.
All right.
0.7 still.
Still at a 0.7.
You'll be 0.7. You'll be 1 by Monday, bro.
Hopefully.
You will.
Okay.
What's up, y'all? We're working on putting the siding up, and none of my bits are holding up, so I'm going to Lowe's and grab a bit and possibly another drill. Alright, y'all. I got some drill bits, and I got a souped up drill, so that should solve the problem. Alright, y'all, I'm at the FedEx facility right now. They called me and they said that they had a pallet for me, so I drove up here, and the forklift driver loaded me up, and he was like, I saw on the label it said keto brick. You doing that keto diet? I'm like, yeah, man, I've been doing it for a while. You know, what can I help you with? He's like, just started that 3 weeks ago. Lost some weight already. He's all excited. So I gave him one of my wristbands, told him to check me out. So it's cool. It's cool when you meet people just doing your day-to-day thing, and you can connect on that common theme. Love it. The new drill works wonders. This is what it looks like. Upgraded. Much, much more powerful than the previous drill. Got the pallet in the back of the van. We'll unload that tomorrow. Right now, I think Crystal and I are gonna drink a glass of wine because we bought that bottle the other day. Shoot some bow and arrows and eat a steak because they got the charcoals going right now. Woo-hoo-hoo, gotta love it. This is a great way to end the night. And again, we don't condone alcohol really consumption. We just bought that bottle of wine and we tested it, and one small glass, this is wine, not coffee by the way, brought our ketones down.
Mine was 0.3.
Yeah.
Mine, it brought it down 0.3.
It brought it down 0.3 from, what was it, 1 to 0.7, I think?
Mine was 1.2 to 0.9.
Yeah, and mine was about the same. So this will be, we bought that bottle of wine. We probably won't buy another bottle of wine for another 6 months or so. So we're enjoying this glass. I'm gonna shoot some bows. I ate that steak already. Delicious steak, by the way. But Crystal has an announcement to make.
It's not really much of an announcement. Over the last few months, we've done a lot of tests and a lot of procedures and different things to try to figure out what's going on with my body. And I think it's just adding an extra layer of stress to me. And we still can't figure out what's going on. And I really just want to live my life. And I'm tired of searching, and I'm tired of looking around and not getting any answers. And I know a lot of people will say, well, keep looking, keep searching, you'll find something, something's out there. But truthfully, we've been looking for years, and we have some answers and we have not some other answers. And I'm tired of stressing out over food and obsessing about it and just not feeling good and always wondering why. And now I can just kind of move forward and say, because that's how my body is.
So what she's going to do going forward is just do what she knows to be healthy. She's going to eat great food. She's going to train hard. She's going to live her life. She's going to enjoy her life. And she's not going to stress about things that she doesn't really even have control over in the first place. So, sound good?
Sounds good.
But for all those who have followed along and understand what context is here, you know, we appreciate all the support. We appreciate
so
all of that, for sure. And we're always going to be like we're biohackers, so we're always going to be like experimenting and manipulating and trying things, but we're not going to stress over living a healthy life because we're still living a healthy life. Does that make sense?
We live one of the healthiest lifestyles I know, and to try and manipulate on top of that, it just seems crazy. It just seems like I should just follow my diet, follow my plan, and see how my body does.
What should the title of this vlog be?
I don't know.
We'll think of something witty. But we'll see y'all tomorrow.